My name is Milan Dolaria. In this video, I will explain you exercise 2.4, question number 3 and question number 4. So let's start it with question number 3. Here we need to do the division process. Okay, in all the question we need to do the division process. So let's start it with question number 1. 7 divided by 3 divide 2. Now what we need to do, our first number remains as it is, division becomes multiply, and second number we need to take reciprocal, right? Here nothing is present, so we can write 1, right? Here only 2, nothing is present in denominator, so we can write 1, right? Then our first number as it is 7 by 3, division convert into multiplication, and we need to take reciprocal of second number. Now, right, now reciprocal of 2 by 1, it is 1 by 2. That means we need to change the numerator and denominator. Okay, denominator goes to the numerator, numerator goes to the denominator. So 2 by 1 becomes 1 by 2. Okay, reciprocal of 2 by 1 is equals to 1 by 2. Now here we cannot cut anything from the numerator and denominator, right? So 7 ones are 7, divided by 3 twos are 6. Okay, 7 by 6. Now 7 by 6, it is improper fraction, right? Because numerator is greater than the denominator, so we can convert this into the mixed fraction. So 7 divided by 6, 6 ones are 6, 7 minus 6, 1. Okay, so our answer, first of all this integer part 1, then clockwise direction we need to write remainder, after that denominator 6. Okay, so our answer is 1 integer 1 by 6. Okay, 1 integer 1 by 6. Second question, 4 by 9 divided by 5. Here in second number nothing is present in denominator, so we can write 1, because 5 divided by 1 it is 5 only, right? So we can write divided by 1. Now our first number remains as it is, 4 by 9. Division is converted into multiplication, and reciprocal of 5 by 1, it is 1 by 5. Okay, 1 it is in denominator, it goes to the numerator, and 5 is present in numerator, it goes to the denominator. So reciprocal of 5 by 1, it is 1 by 5. Okay, now here again we cannot cut anything from numerator and denominator, so directly we need to multiply numerator versus numerator. So 4 ones are 4, and in denominator 9 fives are 45. Okay, 4 by 45, this is a proper fraction, right? Because denominator is greater than the numerator, so this is proper fraction. Okay, so we cannot convert it into the mixed fraction, so this is our final answer, 4 divided by 45. Okay, then question number 3, 6 by 13 divide 7. 6 by 13 divide 7. In second number nothing is present in denominator, so we can write 1, right? So 6 by 13 divided by 7 by 1. Now 6 by 13 remains as it is, division becomes multiplication, and reciprocal of 7 by 1, it is 1 by 7, right? Reciprocal of 7 by 1, it is 1 by 7. That means we need to change the numerator and denominator. Here we cannot cut anything in numerator and denominator, so directly we need to do multiplication process. So in numerator, multiplication of numerator, 6 ones are 6, and in denominator multiplication of denominator, 13 multiply 7, so 13 sevens are 91, right? So our answer is 6 divided by 91. This is a proper fraction, right? Because denominator is greater than the numerator. So we cannot convert this into the mixed fraction. So this is our final answer. Okay, 6 divided by 91. Question number 4. 4 integer, 1 divided by 3, divide 3. Okay, first of all we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so two things we are going to do together. First of all, here in second number 3 is present. Okay, nothing is present in denominator, so we can write 1. Now just convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So this 3 we need to multiply with 4. So 3 4s are 12. Then we need to add our numerator. So 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13 by 3. Okay, first of all we need to use multiplication. 3 4s are 12 plus we need to add our numerator. So 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13. Denominator 3, it is as it is. Okay, now this division becomes multiplication. Okay, and reciprocal of second number 3 by 1, reciprocal of 3 by 1, it is 1 by 3. Okay, here one thing you need to notice, that is we do not need to take reciprocal of first number. Okay, first number remains as it is. We only need to take reciprocal of second number. Okay, first number remains as it is, division becomes multiplication, and we need to take reciprocal of second number. Okay, now in numerator 13 ones are 13 and in denominator 3 3s are 9. Okay, 13 divided by 9. Now 13 by 9, it is an improper fraction, right? Because numerator is greater than the denominator. So here 13 divided by 9. So 9 ones are 9, right? 13 minus 9, it is 4. Okay, so final answer, this integer part 1. Okay, then denominator 4, sorry, remainder 4 and denominator 9. So our answer is 1 integer 4 by 9. Okay, 1 integer 4 by 9. Then question number 5. 3 integer 1 by 2 divided by 4. Okay, first of all we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So just multiply this 3 with 2. So 3 2s are 6 plus we need to add the numerator. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Denominator 2 as it is. So 7 by 2. Okay, first number remains as it is. Now division becomes multiplication and we need to take reciprocal of second number. Before that, here nothing is present in denominator, so we can write 1, right? 4 by 1. Now we need to take a reciprocal of 4 by 1. It is 1 by 4, right? Now here we cannot cut anything, so directly multiplication of numerator 7 multiply 1, 7, and in denominator 2 multiply 4, 4 to the 8, so 7 by 8. Okay, so this is our answer, 7 by 8. Now 7 by 8 is a proper fraction, right? 7 by 8 is a proper fraction, so we cannot convert it into the mixed fraction. So this is our final answer, 7 by 8. Okay, question number 6. 4 integer 3 by 7 divided by 7. Here in second number nothing is present in denominator, so we can write 1, right? 7 by 1. Now first of all we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 7 4s are 28. We need to multiply this 2. Then we need to add the numerator. So 7 4s are 28 plus 3, 31. Divide by 7 as it is. Okay, 7 4s are 28 plus 3, 31. Divide by 7 as it is. Now this division becomes multiplication and we need to take reciprocal of 7 by 1. it becomes 1 by 7. Okay, we need to change the numerator and denominator. Now here we cannot cut anything, right? So directly we need to use multiplication. So in numerator 13 multiply 1, 31, and in denominator 7 sevens are 49. So 31 divided by 49. Okay, our answer is 31 divided by 49. This is a improper fraction, right? So we cannot convert it into the mixed fraction. So this is our final answer, 31 divided by 49. Okay, then question number 4. So let's start it with question number 1. Question number 1 is 2 divided by 5. 2 by 5 divide 1 by 2, right? 2 by 5 divide 1 by 2. So what we need to do, our first number remains as it is, 2 by 5. Okay, then the division becomes multiplication, and in second number we need to write reciprocal, right? We need to take reciprocal of 1 by 2. So reciprocal of 1 by 2, it is 2 by 1, right? Reciprocal of 1 by 2, it is 2 by 1. We need to change the numerator and denominator, right? Now here we cannot cut anything, so directly we need to do the multiplication process in numerator. So 2 2s are 4, divide by 5 1s are 5. Okay, in numerator 2 2s are 4, and in denominator 5 1s are 5. So our answer is 4 by 5. Now 4 by 5 is a proper fraction, right? Because denominator is greater than the numerator. So we cannot convert 4 by 5 into mixed fraction. So this is our final answer. Okay, 4 by 5. Then second question, 4 by 9 divide 2 by 3. Okay, now our first number remains as it is, that means our numerator 4 by 9. Then this division becomes multiplication, and in second number we need to take reciprocal, right? So 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2. Okay, we need to change the numerator and denominator. Again I am telling you, first number remains as it is, we do not need to take LCM. Okay, first number as it is 4 by 9, then division becomes multiplication, and 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2, reciprocal. Now here we can do the simplification, that means here 2 2s are 4. Okay, we can cut it because 4 is present in numerator and 2 it is in denominator. So 2 2s are 4, and here 3 3s are 9. Okay, from numerator and denominator we can cut it, 3 3s are 9. Now what is remaining? In numerator we have 2, and in denominator we have 3. So 2 by 3. Okay, now this is a proper fraction, 2 by 3, because denominator is greater than the numerator, right? So we cannot convert it into the mixed fraction. So this is our final answer, 2 by 3. Okay, then question number 3, 3 by 7 divide 8 by 7. So our first number as it is, okay, 3 by 7. Then this division becomes multiplication, and we need to take reciprocal of 8 by 7. So it is 7 by 8, right? 8 by 7, reciprocal 7 by 8. We need to change the numerator and denominator. Now 7 7 cut from the numerator and denominator, right? Then what is remaining in the numerator? It is 3, and denominator 8. Okay, 3 divided by 8. So 3 by 8, it is proper fraction, denominator is greater than the numerator, right? So we cannot convert it into the mixed fraction. So this is our final answer, 3 by 8. Okay, then question number 4, 2 integer 1 by 3 divide by 3 divided by 5. Okay, first of all we need to convert this 2 integer 1 by 3 into improper fraction, right? Mixed fraction to improper fraction. So first of all we need to multiply this. 3 2s are 6. Then we need to add our numerator, right? So 3 2s are 6 plus 1, it is 7. Okay, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, and in denominator 3 as it is. Okay, in mixed fraction we have denominator 3, so same denominator we need to write in our improper fraction, divided by 3. Okay, then this division becomes multiplication. Now in second number we need to take reciprocal, right? So 3 by 5, reciprocal of 3 by 5, it is 5 by 3. We need to change the numerator and denominator, right? Now here we cannot cut this 3, we cannot cut here 3, right? Because both 3 are present in denominator. Okay, so we cannot cut it. If one in numerator and one in denominator, then we can cut it. Right now we can not cut it. So we need to do multiplication process. 7 5s are 35, and in denominator 3 3s are 9. So our answer is 35 divided by 9. Okay, now 35 divided by 9, it is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than the denominator. So we can cut it into the, so we can convert it into the mixed fraction, right? So 35 divided by 9, 9 3s are 27, and remainder 8. Okay, so our answer is here 3 integer, then this remainder 8 divided by 9. Okay, 3 integer 8 by 9. We need to write it in clockwise direction, and we need to start from our answer 3. Okay, 3 integer 8 by 9. Then question number 5. 3 integer 1 by 2 divide 8 by 3. Okay, first of all we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 3 integer 1 by 2. Now convert it into the mixed fraction. So 2 into, so we need to multiply it. 2 multiply 3. Then we need to add our numerator. Okay, so 2 3s are 6 plus numerator 1. So 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 divided by 2. Okay, again first of all we need to multiply our denominator and this integer part. 3 2s are 6, and we need to add our numerator. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, and divide by 2 as it is. Then this division becomes multiplication, and we need to take reciprocal of 8 by 3. Okay, reciprocal of 8 by 3, it is 3 by 8. Okay, 8 by 3, reciprocal is 3 by 8. Now we can we need to multiplication, we need to use the multiplication, right? In numerator 7 3s are 21, and in denominator 8 2s are 16, right? In numerator 7 3s are 21, and in denominator 8 2s are 16. So 21 divided by 16. Okay, 21 divided by 16. Now this is an improper fraction, right? Because numerator is greater than the denominator. So here we can convert it into the mixed fraction. So 21 divided by 16. So 16 ones are 16, remainder 5. So our answer is 1 integer, remainder 5 divided by 16. 1 integer 5 divided by 16. Okay, this is our final answer. Next, question number 6. 2 by 5 divide 1 integer 1 by 2. Here first of all we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so 2 by 5 as it is. Now here we need to take a reciprocal of second number, right? But first of all we need to convert it into the improper fraction. So right now division as it is. Okay, right now I just convert the mixed fraction into improper. After that I will convert this division into multiplication. So in second step, division as it is. Now convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So this 2 is multiplied with this 1. So 2 ones are 2, plus numerator 1. Okay, 2 ones are 2 plus 1, it is 3 divided by 2 as it is. Okay, so numerator 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 divided by 2. Now we need to convert this division into multiplication. Okay, so division is converted into multiplication and we need to take reciprocal of second number. So reciprocal of 3 by 2, it is 2 by 3. Okay, reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3, and in second step we do not need to cut this 2. Okay, right now division is that's why first of all we need to convert it into the multiplication. Now in numerator, now here we cannot cut anything, right? So directly we need to do multiplication. So in numerator 2 multiply 2, it is 4 divided by 5 multiply 3, 15. Okay, in numerator 2 to the 4, denominator 5 3 is 15. So our answer is 4 by 15. Now this is a proper fraction, right? Because denominator is greater than the numerator, so we cannot convert it into the mixed fraction. So this is our final answer. We can only convert improper fraction to mixed fraction, right? These things I already explained in theory part. Okay, then question number 7. 3 integer 1 by 5 divided by 1 integer 2 by 3. So first of all we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, right? So 5 3s are 15. That means first of all we need to do multiplication, right? So 5 3s are 15 plus at the numerator. So 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16 and denominator 5 as it is. Here division process as it is, because second number first of all we need to convert it into the improper fraction. That's why. Okay, so first of all convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So this 3 ones are 3, we need to do multiply and then we need to add the numerator. So 3 ones are 3 plus 2, it is 5 divided by 3 as it is. Okay, 3 ones are 3 plus 2 5 divided by 3 as it is. Now here 16 by 5, then this division becomes multiplication. Okay, and we need to take reciprocal of second number. So reciprocal of 5 by 3, it is 3 by 5. Okay, reciprocal of 5 by 3, it is 3 by 5. Now here we cannot cut anything, so directly we need to do multiplication. So in numerator 16 3s are 48 and in denominator 5 5s are 25. Okay, in numerator 16 3s are 48 and in denominator 5 5s are 25. So 48 by 25. So here numerator is greater than the denominator, so this is an improper fraction, so we can convert it into the mixed fraction, right? So 48 divided by 25, 25 ones are 25, remainder 23. So we need to convert this into the improper fraction. So answer is 1 integer, this remainder 23 divided by 25. Okay, 1 integer 23 divided by 25. Okay, then question number 8. 2 integer 1 by 5 divide 1 integer 1 by 5. Okay, first of all we need to convert this to mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 5 multiply 2, 5 2s are 10, plus we need to add our numerator. So 5 plus 5 multiply to 10 plus 1 11 divided by 5 remains as it is. Division process as it is, because first of all we need to convert our second number, that means our denominator, into the improper fraction. Okay, so here 5 multiply 1, 5 ones are 5 plus numerator 1. So 5 multiply 1 1, 5 multiply 1 5, 5 ones are 5 plus 1 6 and divide by 5 as it is. Okay, now we can convert this division process into multiplication. So 11 by 5, first number remains as it is. Here division becomes multiplication, and we need to take reciprocal of second number. So reciprocal of 6 by 5, it is 5 by 6. Okay. Now 5 cut from denominator and numerator. So what is remaining in the numerator? It is 11, and in denominator 6 is remaining. So 11 by 6. Okay. Now 11 by 6, it is an improper fraction. So we can convert it into the mixed fraction. So 11 by 6, 6 ones are 6, remainder 5. Okay, so our answer is 6 integer. Sorry, our answer is 1 integer. We need to start with the answer 1 integer, numerator 5 and denominator 6. 1 integer 5 by 6. Okay, this is our final answer. Here, if first number is mixed fraction and second number is proper, otherwise improper fraction, like this, 2 integer 1 by 3 divide 3 by 5. So you can do both the things together. That means convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, and we can convert this division into multiplication. Okay, but if second number is mixed fraction, that means our denominator. So first of all, we need to take division as it is, and we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, after in next step we can convert division into multiplication. Okay, second thing, whenever we take whenever we convert division into multiplication, in that step we need to take reciprocal. Okay, in whatever step we take we convert division into multiplication, in that step we need to write the reciprocal of second number. Okay, that means we cannot make mistake like this, 2 integer 1 by 5, 1 integer 1 by 5, here 11 by 5, then directly we write here multiplication, and 5 ones are 5 plus 1 6 by 5. This is wrong. Okay, here you convert a division into multiplication, so you need to take reciprocal, right? And for finding out reciprocal, you need proper, otherwise improper fraction. So that's why first of all we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. After that we can take reciprocal, and in that step only we can convert division into multiplication. Okay, here our exercise 2.4 is complete. So if you have any doubt, so just write down in comment section, and if you have any suggestion for me, then even just write down in comment section. Thank you.